Hey YouTubers, it's Tony with Mayberry Mini Trucks. Today we have a Mitsubishi that we recently imported from Japan. The stock number is MT2194. It's a four-wheel drive, 5-speed with high and low transfer case, 23,090 original miles, and it is $7,200. This truck is in very, very good condition. So let me put my little paper inside and we'll do a walk around. Okay, so the pillar looks very good. The antenna is intact. The driver's door is perfect. No dents, no rust. Tire looks good. Wouldn't say it's great, but it's good. Um, the side of the truck here on the bedside is perfect. And you can also see, so basically this truck has been very well cared for. There's the underneath of the bed. And again, the tire here looks good. And here is the back of the tailgate. Looks very nice. Just a slight indentation down on the end there. Nothing at all to be concerned about. The bed itself has some scuff on the paint. That's it. It's in great shape. Hinges on a mini truck are typically adjustable. Over time, this tang can just get pulled after many openings, and these are actually adjustable. And that's true on all mini trucks, not just Mitsubishis. The side of the truck looks fantastic. Very, very good. So this is a really nice truck. We had to pay a lot for it, but that's why it's $7,200. And prices are going up on mini trucks. They have been steadily increasing. And sorry about that. And but this would make a very nice truck. It's street legal, of course. The title's probably not here yet. Generally takes about 10 weeks to get here. Because when they come from Japan, we have to apply for the title. And we service our trucks. We use 5W30 full synthetic engine oil. We change the air filter and test drive it. This door looks fantastic. I like these aftermarket floor mats. They're kind of a pan. So if you have muddy boots or something, they'll contain that. And here's the odometer. It says 37,163, which is how we get the 23,090 miles. Passenger seat is perfect. Driver's seat is perfect. And the ceiling, a little saggy. Sometimes that glue lets go a little bit. If you buy it, say something if you end up buying this. If I don't notice it, we'll go ahead and use that 3M glue. It's called super adhesive, and we'll be sure to put that back up. All right, let's go ahead and let's take it for a drive. So this 5-speed should get along really, really well. Look at those pretty gladiolas. So let's go ahead and run it down the road and see how it does. So yeah, that was about 55 miles an hour, as fast as I comfortably want to get up to on this little stretch here. But I can already tell that this truck has amazing power. Mitsubishis have probably the most room for a tall person. I get that question a lot. Just a little FYI, and yeah, so this is in fourth gear. We're climbing uphill and easily accelerating. So if you're interested in this vehicle, give us a call. Our telephone number is 336-777-9957. Our email address is sales@mayberryminitrucks.com, and our website is mayberryminitrucks.com. Let's take another look at those pretty flowers. Isn't that nice? They're all just starting to come out. Thanks for watching our video.